Start your day with a healthy and delicious twist. This overnight chia pudding is simple, satisfying, and the perfect make-ahead option for busy mornings. Not only is it easy to prepare, but it's also packed with the incredible health benefits of chia seeds. These tiny yet powerful seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based protein. Chia seeds support digestive health, promote heart health, and help maintain steady energy levels, making this pudding as nourishing as it is convenient. To make your pudding, start with 1 cup of plant-based milk. Almond or coconut milk works perfectly for a paleo option. Next, add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. If you prefer a thicker consistency, increase this to 3 tablespoons. Make sure to whisk thoroughly to ensure the seeds absorb the liquid evenly. The chia seeds will absorb the liquid, expand, and thicken into a creamy, pudding-like texture. For a touch of sweetness, add honey or maple syrup. Whole30 followers can skip the sweeteners. Cover the mixture and refrigerate it overnight, or for at least 4 hours. When you're ready to serve, give the pudding a good stir. If it's too thick, add a bit more milk. Top it with blueberries, raspberries, or even a scoop of acai for a fruity boost. For extra texture and nutrition, sprinkle shredded coconut, sliced almonds, or chia seeds on top. This chia pudding stores well in the fridge for up to a week, making it an ideal meal prep option. And there you have it, a creamy and nutrient-packed paleo, Whole30 and keto-friendly chia pudding to kickstart your day.